Author Premium is a more fully featured version of our simple author ebook creation app that allows students and teachers to make their own ebooks. Author Premium allows you to create a variety of different book types and to add videos and narration to your book. Let's run through the basics of how to make a new book. You can choose between 5 different types. The portrait and landscape book types are for creating simple books with a front cover and pages that contain images, video and text. Newspaper books have space for headlines and columns, or use the comic book type to add multimedia to panels. The square book type is a little different. This allows your students to drag and drop elements in a more flexible way. We're going to start by making a newspaper. Whatever type of book you create, you'll need to enter an author's name to begin. Just type here on the keyboard. Tap the different elements of your page to edit them. Why not give your newspaper a title? Just tap here. You can also add a headline, or to insert an image or video into your page, tap the icon and select the type of media that you'd like to add. You can add a picture from the gallery, straight from the camera, or even from a website that's been added to your LearnPad's lesson profile. Let's try that now. I can tap to navigate to a web page, and once I'm there, look for a suitable image. Then I can simply press and hold on the image I'd like to add to my page. Tap the tick if you're happy with it. Now I have my image, I'm going to add a headline to my page too. On every page, you'll also notice a microphone icon up in the top left. Tapping on this icon allows you to add narration to your page. Record directly in the app or browse to find sound files already saved on your LearnPad. Once you've added narration, tap the tick. Listen back by pressing and holding on the microphone icon. To add another page to your newspaper, simply swipe across with your finger. You can use this button up at the top to view thumbnails of all the pages in your ebook. OK, let's step through how to save this book. Tap the 3 dots to access the extended menu and choose Save. When you're ready to save your book, you have 2 options. I'm going to save this book in authors.auth format so I can come back and edit it later. Let's take a look at some other book types. Use the back button on your LearnPad to return to the author menu screen. Now we're going to make a square book. Add your author's name as before. This time you'll see it appear on a cover page for your book. Just tap to edit your book's title, and when you've finished, tap away to save. Add an image to your cover. Let's choose one from the gallery this time. Author Premium comes with some images preloaded. We can also change the book's colour scheme by tapping the 3 dots at the top right of the screen and selecting Change Colours. You'll notice there's also a Change Fonts option in this 3-dot menu. The frame colour will change the book cover too. There are lots of other options here. Just as before, when you're ready, swipe with your finger to add a new page. Every square page has 4 quadrants for you to add images, text or videos. Tap to choose the type of media you'd like to add. Let's try a video. We can add one from the gallery too, but for now, let's pick camera. Once the camera opens, tap the icon to start recording and tap it again to finish. If you're happy with the video, tap the tick. It's easy to move your video around in its quadrant or to drag it to a different part of the page. You can easily replace it or watch it back by tapping. Now let's try adding some other media. We'll add an image from the gallery. Choose the picture you want to select, and once you've added it, you can rotate it using the arrow buttons that appear on screen, or you can change its size with the magnifying glasses. Just like with a video, you can also drag and drop into a new location. Finally, let's add some text to the 2 remaining quadrants to finish our page. If you'd like to send the whole book to the class cloud so that it can be accessed by others, you can do this by tapping the cloud icon at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to save the book first. This time I'm going to save in EPUB format, which can be read by standard ebook reader apps, including LearnPad Book Reader. Now that the book is saved, the Class Cloud dialog box will appear. Just tap Send to hand it in. Let's press the back button to get out of this book and back to the main launch screen of Author. Instead of creating a new book, I'm going to take a look at one I've made earlier. I can open the last book I was working on, or press Existing to bring up a list of author books on this LearnPad. I can choose to edit the book or to open it in read mode. Let's do that now. In read mode, you can see the finished product. In this book, I've changed the colours and fonts. You can tap to watch any video clips, and the microphone icon has become a speaker, so tap on this to hear the narration. We hope you enjoy using Author Premium to really bring your ebooks to life.